Sometimes a Leo just wants to be alone. It's not because they are angry or upset with anyone. They just feel better when they have quiet time. A true Leo won't skip this video. Being around too many people or too much noise can make them tired. A Leo loves peace and calm. They like to sit with their own thoughts, listen to music, or enjoy nature. Being alone helps them feel safe and strong again. It gives them space to think and breathe. They may spend time doing something they enjoy, like reading a book, watching a show, or taking a walk. It's their way of caring for themselves. They don't always like to talk about their feelings, so being alone helps them sort things out in their mind. Sometimes people may not understand this and think the Leo is being cold or distant, but that's not true. They just need a little time away from everything to feel okay again. When they are ready, they come back to the world with more love and energy. A Leo is very loyal and kind, but they also need to protect their peace. Their alone time is not about pushing others away. It's about recharging. So if a Leo wants space, it's not personal. It's just how they heal and stay strong. Giving them this time can actually help your bond grow even stronger. If you agree with me, drop your birthday in comments to find your twin.